So I welcome you all for the GST Go Frugal Opposites webinar. So this is a new initiative started by Go Frugal, since as we all know, the GST is going to roll out on July 1st. So so the customers, our end user customers, are reaching us, are daily reaching us for GST queries, and we are feeling that we cannot service every customers through calls. So this is a new initiative started by the Go Frugal, so that we can reach all customers, multiple customers at the same time, so that it will be easier for you to understand, and you can also raise your queries in the webinar itself, so that we can solve every doubts and clarifications. So this is Ram Kumar here. I hope we all have a one-on-one discussion in the support desk, and I have Mr. Veera with me. So I hope you also know him in the many support engagements you have with Go Frugal. So I hope all of you are using in the mobile. So if it may not be clear, so if you double tap on the screen, so it will zoom in, and there is a question mark at the top of the screen, so that you can also raise your doubts and queries by pressing that question mark and type your questions. Okay. I again repeat you, so that if you want to zoom in on the webinar, you just double tap on the screen, and if you want to raise any questions, there is a question mark at the top of the screen. You can press that and raise your questions. Okay.
Good afternoon, all. I am Sai Kumar here, and I welcome you all on the first online webinar for ARPOS 6 product organized by Go Frugal. We actually have to thank GST for making us come on a single platform so that we can interact and get to know about each other and clarify any doubts about the new revolution in the retail market. So starting with, I would just like to apprise you about the prerequisites for attendance meeting. Okay, so this is mainly because, as we all know, that since it's a revolution, we can expect calls to be more by 25 times the normal calls which we get in the Azure Care team. To handle such high volume and also to service the customers to the utmost satisfaction, we have taken this initiative forward and organized the first webinar for ARPOS 6 product, so that all the customers on a big platform could get to know about the product and the changes that has been done for GST. Apart from this, after the session has ended, everyone is welcome to share their queries and suggestions so that we could help improve our product and give a best GST product in the market available.
Good afternoon, customers. So as you know, so since the GST journey of us started last 2 weeks back, so Go Frugal has already provided you all digital platforms to make this a smoother one. As you know, we have already given you a My Go Frugal app to reach us via in a digital communication. So you don't need to wait in the call or in the live chat. So Windows desktop notification is already with you. It is available. So Go Frugal help videos are there in YouTube. I hope you have seen the last help videos that we have uploaded in YouTube. Based on the first release that we made for master update for GST, like this, we are plan to provide you a practice mode in the product. The practice mode means you can verify the GST changes happen in the product without affecting your current transactions. So this practice mode is on the way. Also, you will get a special GST helpline chat very soon. So these are the steps we are taking, we are giving to you to make this journey a successful one. So please use these digital tools to make the transition a smoother one. So we can proudly say the customers who are already digitally connected with GoFrugal are 100% ready for this GST transition. So let's start the session now.
So as already said, so the GoFrugal is ready for GST, and we want our customers to also be ready. So we again insist on going fully digital. So we urge you to use My GoFrugal app, so that you can raise your complaints and queries whenever you have them, so that we can reach out for you and then solve your queries. And the same thing, you can also reach us by live chat. So I think in the product itself, you have a link for the live chat, so you can reach us more easily through the live chat. So why we are asking that our customers to go digital is, as you all know, as already said, the number of calls might increase 20 to 30 times. So each and every customers may not be able to reach us through calls. So it is better. It is far more easier to reach us in digital medium. So I request you all to install My GoFrugal app and use Watch Now and then Windows push notification, so that you will always stay connected with us, and your GST transition will be much more easier.
So beginning with the GST transition, the first and foremost important thing is to update your software to get the latest GST updates. For customers who are in a much older version, we request you to update to a latest version that is available before the GST update, so that you don't get any compatibility issues while updating the patch. Second thing, the first update for RPOS 6.5 product with GST is the version number 6.5.8.8 SP2. I request you to all to note down this. It's 6.5.8.8 SP2. This is the first update which has been given from GoFrugal for RPOS 6 customers for GST updation. We also recommend you to update the patch every week, so that you get the latest enhancements from GoFrugal and also about GST, so that you could stay updated with the GST transition process and do not face a gap during the same updation. We are also happy to share statistics here. About 80% of our customers have already updated the patch by themselves with the help of an automated solution which is available in the product. So I just request you to come through live chat for any assistance, and our help videos would all surely assist you in updating the patch as well. So why wait? Just go and update the patch and start the GST process.
As already said, it is much more easier to update the patch by yourself also. Already there are links available to update your patch. You can update your patch from the software itself by clicking on the update button at the top. You can verify your software version at the bottom. It is already 6.5.8.8 Service Pack 2. So you can also, if you are in an older version, you can click this updates button. Okay. It will show you two buttons called as release notes and then downloads. You can press the download, the service pack will get downloaded, and once the download is complete, make sure you closed all your application, both server and client, and then click apply now. Okay. So what are all the new features that we have added in the recent GST version? So you can update your GST TIN number in the company registration master. As you all know, for filing GST, the GST TIN number is must. So each and every retail companies must register for GSTIN number, and then there is an option to enter the GSTIN number in the company master and share my GST. GoFrugal is much more focusing on making the customer work much more simpler. So this is a proud presentation for GoFrugal. Share my GSTIN feature. Using this feature, you can share your GSTIN number with all your suppliers and customers. So they will get an immediate email and an SMS stating your shop name and your GSTIN number, and then they will be also provided with a link stating them to update their GST number, so that you can also get their GST number within a single click. I will discuss with this share GSTIN feature in detail in the following slides. And the next is supplier master. So for filing the GSTIN purchase details, supplier master must be also filled with the supplier GSTIN number, their state code, their PAN card numbers, etc. So we have also provided features in the supplier master. Similarly, in the customer master, if your customer is a B2B customer, it is must to enter their GSTIN number in the customer master. If your customer is a B2C, then it is not required, since they are the end user of your sold product. It is not required to enter their GSTIN number. And the transporter master. So if you are using any transporter to move your goods from location to location, so you also have to get your input credits for them. So you have to update their GSTIN number in the transporter master. And if you are using multiple outlets, then you must update your GSTIN number in the chain master. So for each and every outlet, you must update your GSTIN number in the chain master, their location, their state code, everything, so that it will be easier to file your GST files. And especially for a restaurant and food and beverages business, we have ordered 2 more masters. Order type master. Here also you can enter your GST tax based on your order type, and also for the table master. And the most important thing is update your GST tax in the item master. So we have provided many new fields in the item masters. So one of the field is updating your HSN code, updating your GST tax, so which are all mandatory, so that you have to update your both HSN code and GST in the item master. So it is difficult to update each and every customer, each and every item separately. So we also provide features for a bulk update. In all masters, there is a key called as bulk update, in which you can use to update the item supplier and customer details, GST details, and also you can import it using an Excel sheet. If you have all the details presented to you in an Excel sheet, it will be also simpler. You can also update it using the Excel sheet. So in the next release, which will be 6.5.8.8 SP3, you can expect basic transaction changes and the print level changes for the GST upcoming versions.
So beginning with the first feature that has been given for GST is share my GSTN number. As you all know, and we do know, that every customer has n number of suppliers, and getting the details from the suppliers is a very hard task. So to make your task much easier, we have just incorporated a small change in the registration master of the product. Once you do the patch updation, the very next screen that would be opened for you would be the registration master. The purpose of giving this screen is to update your GSTN number at the earliest as possible, so that you don't forget to update it later due to your business commitments. But don't worry, if you have not received your GSTN number right now, you can surely update it later. And regarding the same, you could be able to chat with the GST helpline for how to update the GSTN number in the registration master. So in the registration master, the last key would be the share my GSTN number. The only one prerequisite that is needed for using this feature is you should have used my GoFrugal alerts for sending SMS. So once you are a customer of GoFrugal alerts, okay, the alert SMS would be sent to your customers and the suppliers. The very next second you click on the key, your customers and the supplier will get an SMS stating that, hello, this is me, have updated my GST number. click on this link to share your GST number, and a link would be sent to the customer and the supplier in the SMS itself. Once the supplier or the customer enters his GSTN number in that link, it would be automatically brought into the POS upon the authorization of the admin user. So all you have to do is to just subscribe to GoFrugal Alert Services, share my GSTN number, and get your work done within a matter of few hours, rather than searching for your details from supplier to supplier or customer to customer. In order to help you people to use this feature, we have given the self-help videos in GoFrugal Technologies YouTube channel, or else you can also see these videos in my GoFrugal app, and 85% of your manual work and effort will be saved by avoiding duplicate and monotonous entries.
Please, I again repeat, you can press the question mark at the top of the screen and raise your doubts so that we can clarify and reply for you immediately. So the next is, as I said, you can also bulk update your GST details for reducing your time and effort while updating individually. So what you can do is you can export the customer details, supplier details, and the item details from your reports in the smart report, and then you can update it in an Excel sheet, and then you can import it again into the software so that it will be much more easier. So in order to export your Excel, in order to export all the master details in the Excel, open GoFrugal Smart Report. So if you want to export your product details, in the search type as product list. It will have all the details for your product, and you can export it into Excel using the export option. There is option to export in CSV, PDF, XLS, and ODS. So you can export it, and then for importing you just need 4 details: the item code, your item name, the GSTIN, the GST tax code, and then HSN code. I will show you the format, Excel format, and how you have to import it. It is available in your application path under MIT folder, under source, in GST update. Here you can enter for item, you need item code, your item name, the HSN code, and GST rate. Here you can see the orange color field, so which means both of these are mandatory. And similarly for supplier, you need supplier code, supplier name, their GST number, Aadhaar number, and then state. So if you have any doubts regarding where to get your HSN code, so your supplier or your tax consultant should provide you the HSN code for all your items. I again repeat, if you have any doubts for regarding the HSN code details, I urge you to contact your supplier or your tax consultant so that they can provide you these details and you can update them in the software. Yes, Mr. Danesh has asked how to export and import in the software. I'm again explaining it for you. Open GoFrugal Smart Report and then type as product list. Your product list reports will open, and then there is an option at the left side to export it into an Excel. You can press that, and all these details will be exported in an Excel. So you just have to copy the two columns, the item code and the item name column, from the exported Excel into the format that I showed you, the GST, the item code and the item name here. And then after copying it, you can update the HSN code and the GST rate for all these items. And again, you can import it using the MIT. Yes, Mr. Nitin has asked again how to update the bulk update Excel import for the GST details. Nitin, we are preparing the video for importing in an Excel, so it will be rolling out today. You can watch it in the YouTube. So we will also mail you all the details. Okay.
So as you have seen, you can do the updation of the data via MIT tool, which help videos would be rolling out by today at the most. And you also have an option of updating it using the bulk update tool, which we have inbuilt in the item master itself. So that tool functions the same, but there is no Excel export or import option needed. You can just go to the categories, choose the category first, because the category would surely help you filter out the most of the items. After filter in the category, you can just click on the GST tags which you need to update for that particular category items, and then save it, and the same would be applied for category items for all items provided in the category. Secondly, this procedure can be used to update the same things which you could do with the help of MIT. So the customers have two options to do, either with the MIT or to go with the bulk update. So right now I'll be showing how to use the bulk update tool in the item master. So request your kind attention for the same. As we all know, the bulk update is available in the item master. So go to inventory, click on masters, and get into the item master. Or else, if you feel that remembering this part is very difficult, we do have an option for the same in the menu search option. Just type item master, and there you have your item master there. So just click the enter on it and you will get the item master there. So this is for people who feel like, yes, remembering the part is very difficult. We do have a quick and faster menu search option for the same. So there are certain key combination in item master, and the key combination for the bulk update is Control F3. Okay, so you can directly click on the leftmost blank screen, or else you can directly use the key combination, which is Control F3. I repeat, it's Control F3 for choosing the bulk update tool. Once you click on the bulk update tool, based on your product type or based on your supplier, you can just filter out the categories and share whatever details you have to update at one go. For example, So to make your search much more faster, just press Ctrl F and type the name of the required column to get the and type the required column name. Okay, I am typing GST tax and pressing enter. So there I have my GST column. Just choose whatever GST rate you have to apply. For example, if I have to choose GST 28% for my particular category items, then I can choose the same. And you can just paste it over the entire row to get the GST taxes in the same rate and click on save. In this manner, you can do the bulk updation for all your items for the particular category at one go. And regarding the GST tax which you have to update for that category items, we request you to consult your tax consultant or your auditor for getting the latest GST rates for that particular category of items. This includes the HSN code as well, because the HSN code is mandatory for filing the GST. As of now, the government is not making it mandatory, but please get your HSN code as soon as possible for future purposes.
So your GoFrugal as a GST Suvidha provider, we are always one step ahead of every other softwares. We are trying as much as possible to make less customer effort, so that you can also update every details by yourself, and we are also releasing all the help videos for updating all the GST details. So if you have any, I'm again repeating, if you have any queries regarding your GST tax percentage for your item and how to update your HSN code, where can I get the HSN code for certain items, and how to maintain tax order type wise tax, everything, I ask you to consult your tax consultant or your suppliers, auditors, so that they can provide you all these details.
As said earlier, we would be giving some helplines and help modes and help videos to the customers so that their GST transition on July 1st would be very, very successful and a smoother one. In this regard, the first is the practice mode, which would be made available in all the products of GoFrugal, including the product RPOS 6.5, so that the customer can experience GST working environment, so that all their doubts are addressed, and if they have any queries, they can surely raise the same using the My GoFrugal app, which we have for this purpose specially. Second is regarding the GST switch. As many of us know, like all the customers have this basic doubt: if I update my GST tax right now, will that GST tax will be getting applied right from the day I start applying in the item master? Surely it would be. Okay, so the GST switch option would be available to make it live, so that on July 1st, 2017, the GST switch will be provided as in the final GST patch, and it won't affect your current transactions. And finally, the specially made GST helpline for all the customers. Apart from the AssureCare helpline, all the customers would be having access to GST helpline, which would be implemented very soon to clarify your queries regarding to the master and the future updates that would be coming in GoFrugal for GST.
So as our customers, what we are expecting from you is please make use of all the help videos that we are uploading in the YouTube channel. Daily we are updating the YouTube. Daily we are updating the videos in the YouTube to make your work self-serviceable. So again, please go digital by installing My GoFrugal app or come in live chat, so that you'll be always stay connecting with us. If the calls are busy, so I urge you to register a complaint in the MyGoFrugal so that we can help you directly. Also, the live chat link is also available in the software near to the update button. So you can click that button, you can directly contact us through live chat so that it will be much more easier and then time consuming to help you. And regarding the practice mode, you will be given a practice mode to practice all your transactions for your GST, and then on July 1st you can switch over to the correct GST and then start billing in your GST taxes. So again, I'm asking you, if you have any doubts, press the question mark at the top of the screen and then raise your queries so that we can assist you. By pressing on the question mark button at the top of the screen so that we will be able to assist you. If you have any doubts regarding your GST tax and how to update your HSN code, where to get your HSN code, I ask you to consult your tax consultant or your auditor so that they can provide you these details. As I've already said, the recent patch which is already released is for GST masters, updating your item, customer, supplier details. So if you have any doubts regarding the master detail updation, kindly you can ask now. And in the next release, we will be releasing about the purchase and sales transactions, and we will be conducting a separate webinar, and then you can ask your queries regarding the transaction during that time. So you can search for all the help videos here. Open YouTube and search for GoFrugal. You can see the GoFrugal Technologies channel, and here select the playlist. And here you have GoFrugal 6.5 GST transition. You can see all your videos for updating customer, supplier, your registration master in these help videos. Hello. Regarding the basic print changes, Mr. G. Vinod has asked the questions. Vinod, so you have asked about how the print profile designs, how the print invoice will change. So in the next release, we'll be releasing about the print changes, and there will be separate webinar for that. You can ask those doubts during that webinar. we have already given all the GST tax detail in the GST tax master. All the government approved GST tax like 5%, 8, 12, 18%, 28% are already inbuiltly given in the GST tax master. You can use those and then map them in the item master so that it will be much more easier instead of creating a new tax. I again ask you, if you have any doubts regarding this master update changes, kindly click the question mark at the top of the screen and then raise your queries. Yes. You can start updating your GST details right now after the patch updation, but all the transactions, all your tax will get affected, will get moved to GST only from July 1st when you choose switch to GST. In order to have a smooth transition for your GST, I request you to update all your GST master details within June 20th. So on before July 1st, we will be conducting a separate webinar on how to switch to GST. We will be providing a new option on how to move from VAT to GST within a few steps. So we'll be conducting a separate webinar for that. I request all of you to also follow the subsequent webinars that we'll be conducting in the following weeks, so that you may stay connected through us all the time. Mr. Ramesh has asked about the practice mode. Mr. Ramesh, the practice mode will be available from your next release, so you can update it in the next week, so that you can start using in the practice mode. We will be having a separate webinar also, Ramesh, so that we will be guiding you how to use that one. Mr. Rajendran has asked whether we have to update the master only for standalone. No, Mr. Rajendran, for any business, it will be easier if you start updating the GST details right now. Mr. Harish Patel has asked whether it is mandatory to update the GST details within June 20th. It is not mandatory. It will be easier to move from VAT to GST if you have all the details prepared ready. Again, we are recommending you to do it by yourself by watching the videos that I showed you right now. You can go to YouTube, search for GoFrugal, and then you can watch all the GST master update videos, so that you can do it yourself. So and if you have any doubts and clarification, you can reach us through my GoFrugal and live chat. As we have already said, already 80% of the customers have updated to the recent version. So the next version will be for the transaction like sales and purchase. So I request all of you to update to the current version 6.5.8.8 Service Pack 2 and update your masters, keep it ready, so that in the next release, in the next week, you can start using the practice mode for getting the transactions like sales and purchase. So I request you all to update even today, within today, to update to your recent version, so that it will be easier for you. As I've already said, you can update your software by clicking on the update button at the top of the software screen. Mr. Vinod Kumar has asked about what is the GST product tax value. Mr. Vinod, as I've already said, your supplier or your tax consultant might be knowing the tax value, GST tax value for your items. So kindly contact them and get the GST tax details. Mr. Tamim Ansari has asked how to add the new GST tax. Mr. Tamim, we have already added all the government approved GST tax by default. If the government is adding the new tax in the future, we will be giving that in the product itself. So we will be adding by default. So there is no need to add the GST new taxes. It is already created and populated in the GST master. Mr. Danish has asked about the Share My GST in future. Mr. Danish, in the registration master, there is a button to share your GST and details with your customer and your suppliers. If you click on that, it will be directly going to the GoFrugal store page where you can buy your SMS pack. So once you get your SMS updated, the software will automatically send the SMS to your customers, to your B2B customers and all your suppliers regarding your GST details. So it is also mandatory to have the supplier's phone number updated in the supplier master so that they can receive your GSTIN number details. So there is an option to update the phone number of your suppliers in the supplier master. Kindly update those things so that when you are using Share My GSTN feature, they will automatically get an SMS for your GSTIN number. Mr. Vinod has asked how to maintain the multiple stores. So Mr. Vinod, you have to update your GSTIN number for all the stores in the registration master and also all the items and suppliers and customers. You just have to map, if you have separate GSTIN number for all the outlets, you have to map it in the registration master so that you will be able to file your tax return with that. If you have any doubts regarding your GST master updates, I again ask you to click on the question mark button at the top and raise your queries so that we will be able to assist you. Mr. Sudhir has asked whether if the government is changing the GST taxes again, whether we will be giving an update on the software. Yes, if the government is changing, we will be the first to make the changes in the software so that you can start updating it. Okay. We are already given all the government approved GST tax details by default. If the government is changing it again, we will again change it. Yes, Mr. Vinod have asked if you are already in HQ, we are already connected to the HQ. If you update all your GST details in the HQ and all your outlets are connected to the your HQ, it will be defaultly downloaded and then updated in your POS, in your all outlet POSes. If you updated it in the HQ, it will be automatically updated in all the outlets, all the outlets. So also you can make changes outlet wise in the POS level. So if you want to update different GST taxes regarding the outlet wise, you can also update that, but it will be much easier if you use the HQ updation in the HQ. So once you update everything in the HQ, all the outlets will be synced for the new GST details. So we will be closing the session in few minutes. So if you have any doubts regarding the GST master updation, I request you to ask now. Click on the question mark button on the top and raise your queries. For restaurant business, Mr. Rajendran has asked your doubts. So for restaurant business, as we all know, a AC restaurant will have separate taxes and the non-AC restaurant will have separate taxes. So there is an option that we have given in the table master so that you can update the taxes in the table. So the item wise, the GST details won't get affected. So it will take the taxes from the table. So it will be much more easier to maintain those things. And there is also GST tax detail order type wise. If you are using, if the customer is having a takeout order or a delivery, you can give different taxes in the order type master. We have also provided those detail in the order type master GST details itself.
I sincerely request you all to kindly follow our upcoming webinars and also to install our MyGoFrugal app so that you could get the latest updates about the upcoming webinar schedule along with the GST patch details and the help videos so that we could bring a digital revolution in the market. Thank you, Mr. Rajendra, for your query. Your query was regarding if you update the GST taxes in the order type master, will it affect your current business or not? It won't affect your business until unless we have given you the last patch update, which will make you switch to GST only on July 1st. So this 2 weeks of time you can utilize to update your masters so that your transition from VAT to GST would be helpful on July 1st and you don't face any business interruption. A small information to all the people. If you feel that you have joined the session in between and you would have missed out some important details, please do not worry. We will surely uploading this webinar session in YouTube very soon. You can get to know the details of the webinar right from the start of the session till the time we are discussing about the questions of various customers. Thank you, Mr. Tamim Amsari, for a query regarding what is GST switch. It's similar to the year-end process that all the GoFrugal customers do on the day of 1st April of that particular year. If you are very much sure that all the changes you have done in the master are GST compliant, you have followed all our videos, you have followed all our webinars regarding the changes in product regarding GST. When you're very much sure about it, you will be given a provision on 1st of July to switch to GST. Once you click on it, all your changes which you have done in the masters regarding GST would come live and your billing would switch from VAT to GST. A general request to all, we have few more minutes to wind up this session. So if you have any queries regarding this particular session which you had attended, kindly raise your queries so that we can address it as soon as possible. And for the upcoming webinars, we surely ask you to follow our My GoFrugal app updates and install it so that you could not miss any session and you could do the GST transition very smoothly. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the customers who have taken the time to attend this session for the GST transition in GoFrugal. It may not be sure that we will be able to attend you one-on-one in the calls or on chat, but we really appreciate your time and would request you to come on webinar so that our approach to reach the customers on one go would be a successful one, and you would also have a successful and a great GST transition. For the upcoming webinars, please stay connected with us via the My GoFrugal app. The SMS and the mailers would be sent to a registered mail ID number. So please follow the My webinar schedule to get updated about the GST. Share My GSTN feature has been specially provided for GST purposes, so you can avoid monotonous work and also save 80% of your time without running to your suppliers to get the details. All you have to do is to just click one button and your details would be reaching all the suppliers and all the customers provided in your database. And all they have to do is to enter the details in the link which they have received in their mobile phone, and their details would be synced with the POS. So it's just a one button click. Please do use Share My GST feature and update your software to the GST version. Thank you to all the people. We would like to wind up this session right now. We hope to catch you soon with the next seminar on GST transactions. And this is Veera signing here.
I thank all of you for your time in watching this webinar to make yourself to make all the GST details, tax GST details updation, self-serviceable. I request all of you to again follow us in My GoFrugal and then watch all our help videos in the YouTubes. And then if you have any doubts, kindly reach us through live chat.